Hello children, this is me yours T.M. Manjunath. I welcome you all for YouTube class. In my previous YouTube class, I have introduced you a lesson called The Will of Sacrifice. So, who is the sacrificed person? What was his will? What was his sacrifice? So we are going to listen, we are going to understand, we are going to know that the thing, what is the sacrifice here. So anyhow, dear children, Bhagat Singh was a great person. Bhagat Singh was a great activist. We will call him as a revolutionary. As his early life, as his school work, as a school student, a college boy, how he was, what was his idea or the thought about freedom movement. So as a primary student, he had a contact with so before that, he had born in the family of freedom movement. His grandfather, his name called Arjan Singh, his father Kishan Singh, and his uncle called Ajit Singh. So all the three members of his family were great freedom fighters. They were very much interested in freedom movement, especially they were called a revolutionary. So he is basically from revolutionary family. He had a contact with Lal Lajpat Rai and Ross B.S. Bose in his primary school or in high school. So then he joined a school of Lahore. It is the center of revolutionary activities. There also he met Bhagavati Charan and Sukhdev. So he became a member of that Hindustan Republican Association. Then after he do more revolutionary activities. His way or his method of approach of freedom movement against the British were quite different from a Gandhian policy. His policy is he believed that British rule which was unjust to the Indian and he should do against direct method like using the weapon, gun or other part like that. They try to loot or what we can say rob the establishments of British. So this way he shown his anger, this way he shown his patriotism against the British. So dear children, what I want to say, which incident makes him to become more stronger and more anger and more shown his powerful person against the British. It was one incident that was taken place in the year of 28, the November 17th. There is a protest against taken place at Lahore, which was led by Lal Lajpat Rai. As I told, Lal Lajpat Rai, Paul, Bipin Chandra Paul, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So there were these three great persons were the great activists in India. So among the three, Lal Lajpat Rai were the best supporter to the Bhagat Singh. So at the moment in 1928, Lal Lajpat Rai, who is led by the British movement against that freedom fight, he was badly or he was brutally hurt by the British police. So in that incident, Lal Lajpat Rai was died. So Bhagat Singh became more angry and he want to take a revenge on that person of British official. He want to kill them, but instead of Scott, he killed the Saunders. So that finally he was not only stopped by doing that against of British, he continued by throwing a bomb on the General Assembly Hall. But there will be no hurt were taken place. So no lives were hurted there. But it was makes the huge sound who were sleeping in the bed or who are sleeping in the home. So this way we have completed in my previous class. Let's continue, dear children. For all of the aggressive activities, he was tried by the British court in India and was awarded death sentence. So for this cause, for this reason, who killed that British official and who bombed on the General Assembly Hall, for this cause he had been arrested by the British police and kept in the jail. And the court has decided him to give a death sentence also. So he is in a death, but he didn't deter the Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh, he never fear on his death. He is the person of sacrifice. And then he kept a spark of freedom alive through his letters written in, from the jail cell. Dear children, he never stopped his activity against the British when he was in the jail. So thus he proved that he has that value of the man lies not in what he capable by receiving, but in the capable of giving. When he is in the jail, he didn't stop inspiring the people. So there is a one line that I have said in my previous class, that he wrote the revolutionaries that doesn't mean that violence, but the spirit of freedom, the longing for change for the better. So it is Kannada, ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಪ್ರೇರಕ ಮತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಯಸುವುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. Not only himself can able to fight alone in the jail, but when he is in the jail, he tried to inspire the other revolutionaries who are there in the out of the jail. So he tried to write a letter. So in his letter he tried to inspire the other people to fight against, not to stop doing this activity against the British. So he has written two letters. Two of the letters that he wrote, one of letter for the one freedom fighter, fellow freedom fighters, and the other of his brothers, that tells us what kind of the freedom fighter who is his name called Shahid Bhagat Singh was. That the first letter he has written, he has write to his brother who are named called Bhagat Singh's lost letter to, that is one of his freedom fighter, his name called Batukeshwar Datta. So he is in Central Jail, Lahore, 21st March 1921. He continued, dear brother, the judgment has been delivered. I am condemned to death in these cells. Besides myself, there are many of other persons who are waiting to be hanged. Here Bhagat Singh has written a letter. Now what I am read now, there is some more information over there. So what he has written, the judgment had been delivered. So that is, the judgment is, he is condemned to death. He is condemned to death in these cells. Besides myself, there are many other prisoners who were waiting to be hanged. Besides myself, not he alone or he only person is going to be hanged, but other prisoners or other what we can call who are in the jail, they were also waiting to be hanged. The only prayer of these people is that somehow or other they must escape the noose. But these people who are trying to escape, perhaps I am only man among us them who anxiously waiting for the day that I will be fortunate enough to embrace the gallows of my ideal. So what a line that he has said. Other of his jailmates, they are trying to escape. They are trying to escape from the jail, to escape from the punishment of hanging or to death. But he himself can waiting for the day. That day he is enough of embracing that gallows for his ideal. He will climb that gallows gladly. Gallows means the way, the place or the thing where it can be hanged. In Kannada, what we can call Nenogamba. They are gladly means happily. They are happily show to the world as to how bravely that revolutionaries can sacrifice themselves for the cause of nation. Here, Bhagat Singh, who is ready to climb that gallows very gladly and show the world as show how bravely that revolutionaries can sacrifice themselves for the cause of nation. So, you just think of it. Why this person is ready to sacrifice? Why this person is not planned to escape from the jail like others of his prisoners? ಬೇರೆಯ ಜನರು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಇವನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲೋಸ್? ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಬವನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಷನ್. He sacrificed for the sake of nation. So, ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ತನ್ನ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾದ. Mean that he is ready to die for the sake of nation. Dear children, he continued his writing. I am condemned to death, but you are sentenced to transportation for life. He is saying that I am going to death. I am going to die. So he was condemned to death, but you are sentenced to transportation for life. You will live, and while you living, you will have to show to the world that revolutionaries is not only die for their ideals, but can face every calamity. Death should not be means to escape the worldly difficulties. Those revolutionaries who have by a chance is to escape the gallows should lie and show to the world that they can not only embrace gallows for the ideals, but also bear the worst type of tortures in the dark, dingy prison cells. So he was condemned to death, but you were like others who were in the jail, others were in the out of jail. So others who are there in a out of jail can able to transport this incident or to continue the activities against the British. You will leave, and while you are leaving, you will have to show the world that revolutionaries not only die for the ideals, but can be face every calamity. He is saying that the people like revolutionaries can die, but their ideals will not be die. Those can face every calamities. Death should not be made to escape from the world difficulties, but those revolutionaries who have by a chance escape from gallows should leave and show the world that they can not only embrace the gallows for these ideals, but also bear the worst type of tortures in the dark, dingy prison cells. It means that here he has explained he is not ready to, everyone likes to live, it is the point, but Bhagat Singh is not ready to live in the darky or in the there will be no lightened room. He don't want to live in the jail if he is alive. If you want to live alive, you just go outside and do against the British. Instead of living in the darky cells, better to sacrifice his life. So this way, his death can cause us, for the sake of nation, this death can inspire the other to one who can participate against the British. So this way, Bhagat Singh can inspire the others. So this way he ends a letter by saying Jai Hind. Jai Hind, yours Bhagat Singh. This way, dear children, Bhagat Singh has written a letter to his mate called Bukeshwar Datta. And he continues another letter for his mates, that is called, this is the letter, that letter is addressed to Bhagat Singh, is a letter which can address to second, that is LCC convicts. So it is when he is in the jail that he has written this letter. So the first letter is written on 21st March in 1921. So this is for Bukeshwar Datta. This is the first letter. And the second letter that he has written, that is 22nd March, same 1921. 31. So first letter is this one and second letter is in 31 according to textbook. So what it means? Why he has written letter to others who are in the free or in the outside of the jail? Because he is in the cell or he is in the control of British. He is not able to do anything else. But he can only, the thing is to send a letter to who are known to him in the outside. So whatever he is doing before the jail, so that thing has to be continued by someone, so that he has to inspire his men by doing the same activity what he has done. So he has continued by he is inspiring the people who are in the jail by writing the letters, writing inspiring words. Let's continue how he has written and what is the content is there in the letter, that is in a second. The desire to live is natural. It is in me also. So everyone is desired to live. Is there anybody who want to die? No. Even nobody has ready to die, and no one has what we can say, according to our rule, there will be no one dies themselves. So they can die for naturally or accidentally, it's not a question. But nobody is ready to die. Desire of live is natural. It's everyone. Okay. In Kannada, ಬದುಕೋಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ. It is common. So this type of desire is same thing in the Bhagat Singh also. ಅವನನ್ನು ಬದುಕುವ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುವ ಆಸೆ? I do not want to conceal it. ಅದನ್ನು ಅವನೇನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ತರ ಅವನಿಗೂ ಬದುಕುವ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವನಿಗೂ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. But it is conditional. I don't want to live as a prisoner or under restrictions. My name has become a symbol of Indian revolution, that the ideal and the sacrifice of revolutionary party have elevated me to a height beyond which I will never able to rise if I live. So, as he said, everyone likes to live, but he don't want to live as a prisoner or under the restriction. He is not ready to live as a prisoner. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬದುಕುವ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೂ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಜೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುವ ಆಸೆ ಅಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. My name has become a symbol of Indian revolution. He is ready to sacrifice his life because his name is a symbol of revolution. The ideals and the sacrifice of revolutionary party that have been elevated to me the height beyond which and he continues, I will never able to rise if I live. So he is saying in these lines, today people do not know my weakness. If I escape from gallows, those weakness will be before them at the symbol of revolution. He is such a great revolutionary. Why he is put in the jail? Because he killed that police official who is responsible for the death of Lal Lajpat Rai. And another case is on him. He bombed on the General Assembly Hall. He had that type of a knowledge. Didn't you imagine? He had a knowledge of how to escape from the jail. Yes, he know. He is not ready to escape. He is not ready to came out by the jail in a wrong way. If he escaped from the jail, if he really came out of the jail as a prisoner, it is a weakness of a revolutionary. So, revolution activities or revolutionaries mean that they should show their braveness. They are ready to sacrifice for the sake of nation. They didn't want to do for sake of themselves. Understand? So, anthavru ಏನನ್ನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಿರ್ತಾರೆ. They are not ready to do anything else. They are ready to do anything else. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. If he escaped from the jail, it means that it is his weakness. Understand? So, he want to become a symbol of Indian revolution so that he will get tarnished or perhaps it may vanish altogether. On the other hand, if I mount the gallows boldly and with a smile that he will inspire Indian mother and they will aspire that their children should also become Bhagat Singh. Wow. So his intention is to inspire the mothers and those mothers to become, my child will be like, they will be, I want a child like Bhagat Singh. In Kannada, ಸೊ ಅವನ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ತಾಯಿಯಂದರು ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ನಂತಹ ಮಗ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ನನಗೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ತಾಯಿಯಂದ್ರು ಬಯಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಚ್ ಎ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ he has written in that letter. So we are unable to imagine how he was involved in the freedom movement. We never able to give another equivalent word to say he is like Bhagat Singh. So his inspiring words can make how he is, how he fight against the British. So how felt he is when he is in the jail. And he continued that thus the number of persons ready to sacrifice their lives for the freedom of our country and will increase enormously. He wanted to increase the number of people, the number of men, the number of youngsters, the number of adults, and not only these people, and the number of mothers can aspire their child to become like a Bhagat Singh. Then it will then become impossible for the imperialism to face the tide of revolution, and all their might and their satanic efforts that will not able to stop its onward march. So he is ready to die himself, ready to die for the sake of nation, but he is not ready to die simply. He is not ready to put a full stop when at the time of his death. In Kannada, ಅವನು ಸಾಯುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. After his death, after everything, he wanted to make others to inspire. He wanted to make others to continue his revolutionary work by others. Yes, one thing pricks me. Even today, my heart nurtured some ambitions for doing something for humanity and for my country. I have not been able to fulfill even 1,000th part of those ambitions. If I live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill them. If ever it came to my mind that I should not to die, it come from this end only I am proud of myself these days, and I am anxiously waiting for the final test, and I wish the day may come nearer soon. So in the last paragraph that Bhagat Singh has explained, my heart is nurtured some ambitious for doing something for humanity and for the many country and the country, my country. He want to show his humanity to his own country. I have not been able to fulfill even 1,000th part of those ambitions. He had ambitions that if I live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill them. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಆಂಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಭಯಂಕರ ಆಂಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಆ ಆಂಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಾನು ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. If I live, I might perhaps to get a chance to fulfill. If ever it came to mind that I should not die. ಅಂತಹ ambitions ಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. It came from this end only. I am proud of myself these days, and I am anxiously that waiting for the final test. Before hanging him, before you want to climb the gallows, there will be a test is going on. So a person who is good in health, good in condition, then only put into hang. So he is waiting for that final test report. So and he wish that day may nearer soon. So he waiting for that day. He is ready to sacrifice, and he continue that word, your comrade, that is Bhagat Singh. So anyway, dear children, this way Bhagat Singh can inspire the his comrades and other men to involve in the British movement. If he dies, his ambitions of fighting against the British, his revolutionary mind will not die. So that he has written letter to others when he is in the jail. So this is the lesson. I am going to stop here for today and continue remaining part of this lesson, next part of the lesson in my next video class. Thank you and all.